Hello, lovely people. Hi, tutaj Moni here. Our second lesson today, and I'm going to teach you how to make a simple statement using this is. To jest in Polish. You're going to learn a few words connected with a location, and also a few nouns will be there as well. So let's start. Okay, so let's start with the center of our poster, and here we've got to jest, which in Polish means this is or it is. The word to will have a few more meanings, but on today's lesson, I would like you to associate this word with it and this, okay? So this is to jest, or it is to jest. So that's the word for it or this, and this is the word for is. Jest. You probably can tell that this word is very similar to the one that we had on a previous lesson, jestem. You learned that jestem is I am, and this is. So it's another form of the verb to be, być in Polish, conjugated this time in a third person singular. So it is, to jest. Notice that we pronounce y as j as y, and it always will be the case. So let's look at the left hand side here, left side of our poster, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words, 6 nouns in fact, and you can see that I underlined the endings of the ending of each word, in this case the letter A, in Polish a, simply because all of the words that you see here, all of those words are nouns, feminine nouns in fact. You'll soon find out that we've got 3 genders when it comes to nouns in Polish, and almost not all, but almost all that end with a, with the A letter, that's the sound a in Polish, are feminine. So that's the word for a map. Mapa. Mapa. No difficulty there when it comes to pronunciation. So in order to say this is a map, you would say, oh, it's a map. You would say to jest mapa. To jest mapa. The second word, another noun, another feminine noun, is a mobile phone, the word for a mobile phone. And you can see that the strange letter that we have here is the O with a kind of cross or an accent above it. And that's the sound for U. That's the letter O. We call it okreskowane. It doesn't matter at this stage, but that's our U. So komórka. Komórka. That's a mobile phone. So it's a mobile phone. To jest komórka. To jest komórka. The word for a coffee, kawa. Again, look at the letter W. Again, we pronounce it as the, right? Like in witam on the previous lesson, in the previous lesson. Kawa. Kawa. It's a coffee. To jest kawa. To jest kawa. The same situation happens with another word that we've got here that starts with the W, letter W, in Polish w, and it's woda, 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 and that's water. So it's water, to jest woda, woda, to jest woda. The word for a tea, as in a brew, is herbata. 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 So the H in Polish is h, it's quite soft, h as in hotel, so herbata. Herbata. And the R is pronounced quite strongly here, herbata. Herbata. Right? And the last word here that we've got on the left-hand side is a lemonade, the word for a lemonade. Lemoniada. Lemoniada. So again, no difficulty here. Lemoniada. So let's practice a bit with all those words that we've got here. It's a map. Repeat after me. To jest mapa. Once more. To jest mapa. It's a mobile phone. To jest komórka. To jest komórka. It's a coffee. To jest kawa. To jest kawa. It's water. To jest woda. To jest woda. It's tea. To jest herbata. To jest herbata. And it's a lemonade. To jest lemoniada. To jest lemoniada. On the right hand side, we've got some adjectives. And we also have some words connected with a location, like here and there. An expression super, the word super. I put these words here intentionally because I wanted you to learn how to say it's great, it's superb, something is boring, something is interesting, something is over here, and something is over there. So on this part of our chart or a poster, whatever you want to call it, there is no nouns. These are not nouns, but we've got some adjectives like nudne, ciekawe, and at this stage I don't want you to worry too much what part of speech is that, or what kind of what is it? Is it an adverb? Is it an adjective? What is it? Don't worry too much about that, okay? I really do want you to remember that these are feminine nouns, so that's for sure when it comes to the grammar part of our lesson. So yes, these are feminine nouns, but don't worry too much about these for now. I just want you to learn them as words, and trust me on that, okay? So, this is boring. To jest nudne. To jest nudne. This is boring. To jest nudne. Nudne. The U letter, as you know from the previous lesson, is U. And you can see, actually, that this is exactly the same sound as the O with an accent. It's just a different spelling, but this is the same sound. So we can actually put the, not exclamation mark, this is not what I want to say, the equal, yeah, they're actually equal. So when it comes to pronunciation. So U and U. So to jest nudne. To jest nudne. So that's the word for boring. Now this is interesting. To jest ciekawe. To jest ciekawe. Now notice how I pronounce the CI together. It's ch. Is as if I was pronouncing the C accent is as in cześć, right? It's ch. Ciekawe. Right? It doesn't matter. It's the situation from a previous lesson when we had SI equals S accent. That's exactly the same here. CI equals C accent when it comes to pronunciation. So it's che. Ciekawe. And again, look, W, W. Ciekawe. Interesting. To jest ciekawe. This is interesting. To jest ciekawe. So once again, this is boring. It's boring. To jest nudne. To jest nudne. It's interesting. To jest ciekawe. To jest ciekawe. Now, few more words. It's here. The word for here is tutaj. Again, look, yeah, as in jest. No changes or no change in pronunciation, right? So tutaj or just tu. Tu, so either tu or tutaj is here in Polish. So to jest tutaj, it's here, this is here, or to jest tu. To jest tu. It's also absolutely fine. So either tu or tutaj. Okay, again, you is u. It's there. It's there. This is there. Oh, well, it's there, we would say. Wouldn't say this is there. So to jest tam. To jest tam. It's there. It's over there. To jest tam. Tam. No difficulty here. It's superb. It's great. To jest super. To jest super. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Dziękuję. Try to practice as much as you can. You can also, if you only want to, enhance your learning by subscribing to my Patreon page. Give us a like on Facebook if you can. That would be much appreciated. Thank you very, very much. Pa!